Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a blog with Wix, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Wix website. Create a Wix account by clicking on the Get Started button. Fill in your email address and create a password. Choose to sign up using Google or Facebook if preferred. Once logged in, click on Create New Site. Select the category that best fits your blog's focus. Wix will offer to create a site for you. You can either accept or choose to start from scratch. If you prefer the latter, select Blank Template. Browse through the available templates and select one that resonates with your blogging style. Click on Edit to customize your chosen template. Use the drag and drop editor to add elements like text, images, and videos. To add a blog feature, click on the Add button on the left sidebar. Select Blog from the options. Click on Add to Site to integrate the blog. Customize your blog layout by choosing from the available styles. To create a new blog post, click on Manage Posts in the blog section. Select the Create New Post option. Write your blog post title in the designated area. In the text editor, compose your content. You can format your text using the available tools like bold, italic, and bullet points. Add images or videos to support your content by clicking on the media icon. Once your post is ready, click Publish to make it live. To adjust blog settings, go to the Settings menu in the blog section. Here, you can modify the blog name, permalink structure, and more. Ensure your blog is optimized for search engines by filling in SEO details. Go back to the main editor to customize the site's overall design and colors. Finally, preview your blog to see how it appears to visitors. When satisfied, publish your entire site by clicking the Publish button. Your new blog is now live for the world to see. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.